Hi, this is the Model TV. Let's design this simple fascinator. Take a look, it's simple yet very unique. So first step, you cut your fabric. You can use bridal satin, poly, you can use crinoline or any material of your choice, or ashoke. Any fabric of your choice can be used for this simple fascinator design. Like I said, you can use just crinoline, but for this design, as you can see, the fabric is very soft, so I'll have to put crinoline inside to have a firm and bold look. So let's go ahead. The cutting here is 8 inches. When you fold it together like I just did, you have 4 inches. So we'll run stitch. I'll run it from the beginning to the end, and I've done that. So this is it. Now let's fix in the crinoline like I said, to make it strong, bold and suitable for the style. But before then, let's pull it out. This is the other side, like the side that was sewn. You can't use it this way because the sewing, the rough edges will show. So let's use safety pin and pull out the correct side that we need to use. Okay, I hope you know how to do this simple turning. You just use the safety pin that you fix and push it in to the other end, and then you pull it out. Very simple. You can, this particular skill is a must have. Okay, if you are doing braided fascinator, you need to do this braided headband. Rather, you need to know how to do this. Using your hand or your scissors will take time. So if you know how to do this, good for you. It's simple yet a unique skill that every millionaire should know how to. So you just pull it, and when you get to the end, or should I say the beginning of this other side, you just pull out the safety pin and you have your right side of the fabric out for use. So this is it. Pull it out. So this design is simple. You can use poly, you can use crinoline, you can use ashoke or any fabric of your choice, even Ankara, to do this particular design. It's just kind of rose, okay, should I say rosette, that I'll be doing with this. So watch the video till the end to see what we have been able to make of it. Have you subscribed to the Model TV? If you haven't, hit the subscription button so that you get notified. Turn on the notification bell, especially you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I promise you that you enjoy your stay here because I usually upload interesting tutorial videos on everything that has to do with craft, headwears, fascinator, hand fan, umbrella design, bouquet, and what have you. I am a lover of craft. I don't know of you. So if you are a craft lover, don't move out without turning on the notification bell and subscribing to the Model TV. Meanwhile, like this video and leave a comment for me in the comment section. If you have any question, feel free to ask. I'll be right here to answer them all. So I have to iron this out to straighten the area that was stitched. It has to be neat. You don't know which part of the fabric will turn up, so that's the essence of ironing. This is it. As you can see, it's smooth, neat, and it looks fine. So now let's fix in the crinoline. I told you, if you use only this fabric, your fascinator will not be bold. Okay, the rose will not be bold. It will not give you exactly what you want. So that is why I have to fix in crinoline. But assuming you're using poly or ashoke, yeah, poly is thick, so it will give you exactly what you want and it will be beautiful. With poly, you do not need to fix in crinoline. Same with ashoke. So any material that is hard and stands on its own, you don't need to put anything. But for soft fabric like this, you can use crinoline like what I'm using. You can use warden too. You just cut the same size length of warden and fix it in, and you use it, and it will give you exactly this. And for your information, you can as well fix in millinery wire or boning to give you that sweet curve. It depends on what you want, but I just had to tip that in. Okay, all right, so you enjoyed this video, so don't go away. And the video is very short, very brief, so just watch it till the end and see how we will achieve this particular rose design. It's very simple. You can make it for your baby girl, yes, and you can make it for adults, something out, something away from the normal cream, just the normal crinoline rose. Okay, so you can embellish it with whatsoever you want to, but for me, I just needed something out of feathers and the rest, so I didn't even add even one feather rather. So if you want to add feathers to yours, you can add any embellishment of your choice, and I promise you it will sure look good on you. Just try it out. So now let's wrap the Alice band. I don't just want, though the Alice band is black, I don't just want to use it like that. Let's make it look a little bit glittering, you know, let it glitter some, you know, sharp black. I love black. How about you? Let me hear from you in the comment section. So I said you could add feathers, you could as well add velvet, anything just to make it loud if you want it loud, but I wanted it simple, quiet and easy. So let's wrap the Alice band. I hope you know how to wrap your Alice band with bias, with fabric, just anything you love to wrap your Alice band with. I hope you know how to do that. It's a very simple thing to do. So you just look closely, you see, you just drop a little gum at the beginning, then wrap. When you get to the end, you drop a little gum again, and it's done. First, let's get it done with. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. So I'll be using two roses. So this is the second one. Let's get it twisted. Sorry, the first one. This is the first one. So let's get it twisted. You know, you have to sew off this end, secure it very well before you begin to tap the rest of the fabric. That's the beginning. You have to take your time and ensure that it's properly stitched. Okay, so this is it. It's not long, it's just very short, but if you want your bow to be big, you have to use a longer strand. Okay, so you can see what I just did here. When you pass your thread through it, you just drag it, you see that you begin to have a circle, a rose. So you just finish it up, use your hands, twist it to have a proper rose out of it. Then you do the finishing behind. Ensure that your thread is not showing. Okay, you ensure that it is secured. You take your time to secure it, thus it doesn't loosen up. So this is the rose, as you can see. So I picked the second one. I'll do the same thing. Okay, so with this we've come to the end of this design. It's just to bring them together and attach it to the Alice band. Is this not short enough? Will you try it out? Let me hear from you in the comment section. Is it simple or isn't it simple? Will you try this design? Will you use this kind of fabric, or will you prefer poly or just crinoline? If it's just crinoline, simple. It's just to fold the normal size crinoline into two, pass your thread, and you have exactly this shape. So let's finish this up. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. Leave a comment for me, like and share this video if it adds value to you. Okay, if you've learned anything, let me hear from you. It will encourage me knowing that someone learned something. Okay, so leave a comment for me. This is it. We've come to the very end of that. So with this, we'll attach it to the Alice band. You can use your thread to do this attachment. You can also use candle gum to do the attachment, just a little candle gum, and you stick it to the Alice band, and that will be all. But I don't know why I prefer using thread. Maybe because if I maybe intend to change the style, I remove it, there will be no stain. But if you use candle gum, be sure that when you remove it to fix again, you will have stain. You may not be able to leave the particular spot. You will still have to use that spot because of the stain. So that's why I like sewing my stuff, to have a clean sheet in case I want to make adjustments. I don't know about you, but that's my own reason. So let's put them together, and here we go with the two big roses. So I'll just do a little embellishment. I'll add stone to it. You can put a brooch, you can just spray the stones. It depends on what you want. Like I said, embellishment is your own decision. You may decide to attach feathers, face knit or veil knit, whatever you like calling it. It's up to you. But for me, this is all I needed. So I'll just put few stones, these little stones, silver stones. Okay, that is it. All right. Subscribe to the Model TV, like and share this video, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, and don't forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section. See you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you try out this style, because I'm sure that it will look good on you. So try it on.